In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Excel username. If you've ever left a comment, added a note, or used track changes in Excel and noticed the wrong name showing up, this quick walkthrough will fix that. We're updating the username that Excel uses to label your edits. This is an application setting, so once you change it here, Excel will use the new name going forward in your workbooks. Start by opening Excel with any workbook, new or existing. Look toward the upper left corner and click File. That takes you to the Backstage view, where you manage overall settings for the app rather than the content in a single sheet. Think of this area as the control center for preferences, accounts, and global options. Next, in the left sidebar, click Options. It's typically near the bottom of the list. This opens the Excel Options window, which is where most personalization and advanced settings live. If your window is small and you don't immediately see it, try maximizing Excel so the full menu is visible. In the Excel Options window, you'll land on the General section by default. Scroll just a bit if needed until you find the area labeled Personalize your copy of Microsoft Office. Here, look for the field called Username. Click into that box and type the name you want Excel to use for comments, notes, and tracked changes. Keep it professional and recognizable, especially if you collaborate with others. Right below, you'll often see an initials field as well. Adjusting it is optional, but setting initials that match your new name can help keep things consistent in revision bubbles and comment threads. When you're happy with the new name, confirm your change by choosing OK in the lower right corner of the window. From now on, Excel will attribute your edits to the updated username. This applies to new comments and changes you make after the update. Existing comments will still show whatever name they were created with. A few quick tips as you wrap up. This setting is used by Excel across your device, and in many cases by other Office apps too, so pick a name you're comfortable using broadly. If you work in a managed environment, your organization's policies may influence how names appear in shared files. And if you collaborate frequently, consider aligning your username with the name your teammates know you by to avoid confusion. That's it. Click File, open Options, and update the username. A small change, but it makes your work cleaner and your collaboration clearer.